If YouTube comments aren't showing on your phone, here's how to fix it real quick. Let's get right into it. First of all, close the YouTube app completely and reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Next, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Slow internet can stop comments from loading. And also switch networks if you need to. If it's still not showing, go to the App Store and search for YouTube. Here, make sure the app is up to date. Older versions often have bugs. Now, open the video again, scroll down slowly and give it a second to load. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone completely. Lastly, if you're using YouTube while signed out or the video is marked made for kids, comments might be disabled altogether, and that's pretty normal. Once all that's done, the comments should appear like normal. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.